Some breaking news now coming in from Karnataka, where Lokayukta raids are taking place in Mysuru, in Tumkuru and Kalaburagi, and this is in connection with corruption and government officials. So raids are taking place on 8 Karnataka government officials, and there you can see the jewelry that has also been found during these raids. It's disproportionate assets which are being focused on by the Lokayukta, and these raids are taking place in different parts of Karnataka on 8 Karnataka government officials. Disproportionate assets are under the lens, and gold jewelry has been seized, as well as cash that has also been seized by the officials who are conducting these raids being taking place at the behest of the Lokayukta and on 8 government officials. Let's go across to Deepak for more. And Deepak, give us more details. Who are these officials? And we can see visuals of the gold jewelry that has been seized during these raids.
Yes, right now the searches are going on in multiple districts across the state of Karnataka. At least 8 different officials now under the scanner. Now these are routine searches that of course are conducted after the Lokayukta gets a tip-off from the public or from their own internal divisions that these government officials have amassed assets that are disproportionate to their income. One of the officers who's being searched is also an IAS officer. 3 officials from Bengaluru, officials also from Koppal, Kalaburagi, Tumkur and other districts right now being searched. They're all from different departments. A lot of jewelry, cash, cars, houses and other forms of assets as well is right now being seized, and very soon we'll of course get a summary of what all has been recovered through these searches by the Lokayukta officials.
That's right. Well, thanks so much, Deepak, for joining us with those details.